Hi, Clark Reid back with you with some tech headlines for today. If you enjoy the reports, we always ask you give us a like. Click that little like button, and you can also tap the subscribe bell, and you can catch up on all of the latest reports when they're posted. After a bit of a waver when they dropped the miserable butterfly keyboard, looks like Apple's back on a crusade to be thinner than ever. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reports, says the company wants to make a thinner iPhone and MacBook Pro that will even be perhaps thinner than an iPad Pro, that is. The Apple Watch will not evade the thinning either. Gurman says Apple is on the brink of introducing a new class of Apple devices that should be the thinnest and lightest products in their categories across the whole tech industry. The skinny new Cupertino gadgets may hit as soon as 2025 with the iPhone 17. As for the near future, here's something cool that's upcoming in iOS 18. You can change the wake word for Siri. No more, hey, Siri, or just Siri if you want. With vocal shortcuts, you can use your own, like computer, like on Star Trek. This will only work, by the way, on the iPhone at first. I can't wait to say computer instead of the S word. Now, if I can just find a reasonably priced Captain Kirk chair. The U.S. Surgeon General Vivek Murthy is pressing Congress to pass legislation to introduce warning labels for social media platforms, a lot like the ones on tobacco and alcohol products that we've had for decades. According to Verge.com, Murthy wrote in an essay that was published widely, the mental health crisis among young people is an emergency, and social media has emerged as an important contributor. The chief doc pointed to studies that found almost half of adolescents say social media gives them body image issues, and that those who spend over 3 hours a day on it are twice as likely to face symptoms of anxiety and depression. In addition to warning labels, Murthy is calling for legislation that shields young people from online harassment, abuse, exploitation, and exposure to extreme violence and sexual content in social media algorithms. Murthy proposed the protections alongside others that recommend banning platforms from collecting children's data and restricting features that are like push notifications or autoplay and infinite scroll, which he says prey on developing brains and contribute to excess use. Alongside a lot of colleagues, I've been both amazed and amused at the hype over AI, which doesn't often seem to be that intelligent at this point. Now, Gizmodo.com says McDonald's is sunsetting their partnership of 2 years with IBM to test AI's ability to replace drive-through workers at over 100 restaurants. McDonald's told Gizmodo the experiment with IBM has, quote, given us the confidence that a voice ordering solution for drive-through will be part of our restaurant's future, unquote. Apparently, it isn't ready for prime time yet, though. One customer watched in disbelief as the AI system malfunctioned and ordered him 2,510 McNuggets meals, totaling $264.75. Another customer struggled with the AI system for about a minute trying to order a Big Mac and a drink before a human took over and sped things along. And someone else tried to order a large water and an ice cream. Well, the AI ended up ordering him 3 butter containers, 4 ketchup packets, and a caramel sundae. YouTube is testing a new feature that will allow viewers of videos to add notes to provide more context and information. TechCrunch.com reports that it sounds a lot like community notes on X, which started when it was Twitter. According to Google, the notes feature can be used for things like clarifying when a song is meant to be a parody or letting viewers know when older footage is being portrayed as a current event. The pilot program is available for starters only on mobile in the U.S. and in English. A limited number of users are initially going to get invites to write the notes. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.